Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to connect to Chirp's network and start automating your home or business. As you know, Chirp supports multiple protocols, and one of those protocols that we support is LoRaWAN. So in this video, we're going to show you how to connect any third-party LoRaWAN gateway that supports Basics Station. And within minutes, you can start automating your house and start banning the devices. So if you live in the area where there's no signal or you just want to boost the signal inside your house, this is a great solution. We have received from our partner RAK Wireless this gateway. It is WisGate Edge Lite, and it looks like so. It's a really small box. And we're going to show you how to add it to Chirp's network. So I have German here with me today, and he will walk you through. German, take it over.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now, let me show you how easy it is to connect your gateway to Chirp's network. First of all, open our website. It is app.chirpwireless.io and log in into your account. As you can see here, I already have several devices added to my account, but they are not transmitting any data as there is no network signal. Let's correct that and join the gateway to Chirp network. Click this page, Gateways, and then click the button Add Gateway. Select third-party gateway. Now we need some name, for example, let's say Mom's Gateway. Select the correct frequency band. I'm sitting in Germany, that's why I'm choosing 868. If you are sitting, for example, in United States, you need this one, US 915. And for most of the time, the frequency is written on the sticker on the gateway, as well as the gateway UI, which is also we need to fill here. Now click Next. And here we can see the information that we will need later to upload to the gateway. Click Copy LNS address and then save these certificates. Store them somewhere in your hard drive. You also need to upload them to the gateway later. Now let's connect to the gateway. There are multiple ways how to do that. I will show you the way which works for the most gateways which I tested before. For that you need to just turn it on and it will create the local Wi-Fi network for you. In my case it is RAK 72 some symbols. Just connect to that and open the network settings. Here you can see IP address of your router. Just type it in the web browser and you will open the login page of your gateway. Here you need to type login and password. You can normally get it from the sticker or from the specification. So let's do that. And here we can see some pages, which we need to check and complete the configuration using the data which we get from Chirp platform. First of all, let's configure LNS server address. So I will fill here the LNS address and of course port number. Then I need to click TLNS server and client authentication and upload certificates one by one. Let's do that. Okay, and last step, which is mandatory, it's connect the gateway to the internet so it can send data to Chirp. The easiest way is just use the LAN or configure the Wi-Fi. So simply select your network, enter the password, and here we are. Now let's go back to Chirp's platform and check the gateway status. It should be online, and yes, it is. And also you should start seeing data from the devices coming in. In my case, it's also online and everything is ready to go. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video.